This shaking... What's going on?
Naruto is fighting pain.
What? Naruto is fighting? Alone?
Yes, and he's asked that no one interfere.
But Naruto is fighting for us, for this village. I must go and help him.
No, even if you go, you'll end up being defeated. I know this is hard for you, but all you can do is wait for the battle to be over.
No! Naruto,
I never go back on my word! That's my ninja way!
Yes, me too. I'm the same as Naruto. No matter how difficult the path is. I can't stand by. I must protect what is precious to me. So...
Hinata!
Are you ready?
Mission start.
I've got to hurry!
The place Naruto is fighting is...
This isn't a good time. No matter how strong the opponent is, I must keep moving forward. Call me stubborn, but I have something I must do. Wait for me. I'll be with you soon. No matter how strong the opponent is, Poor Naruto. I will push myself to the max. I must keep moving forward. almost there. Please, get out of my way! Take that! No matter how strong the opponent is, take that! I'll save him! I never go back on my word. That's my ninja way too. I won't lose. No matter how strong the opponent is, I will never give up. I'm almost there.
Mission complete.
Naruto. I used to be such a weakling, always giving up before I'd even begun. I took the wrong path so many times. But Naruto helped me find my way and choose the correct path. I was always following Naruto, trying to catch up with him. I always wanted to walk with Naruto. I always wanted to go where Naruto was. Naruto changed me. His smiling face saved me. So now, it's my turn. I will protect Naruto. No matter what it takes.